Buck.
Alright.
Alright, Buck.
So the other day, I was picking some weeds up there, right? And I had my 22. I was holding it up outside this deer, and the next thing I know, on top of that lamppost, I see a big old it was probably a bald eagle. And I'm pretty sure that in Alabama it's legal to shoot an eagle. So we're gonna go see if we can find it again. So follow me there.
Hillbilly Buck, did you step on any of that poop?
Hey, get up there, man. I gotta have you phone me.
Alright, Buck. Well, better watch out for this tartar sauce. Hey, Buck, what type of gun is that?
I'm pretty sure that it's I think they call it like a Glock or something like that. Come on, let's go.
Hey.
Scale that fence. Scale that fence.
Oh, man. This is going to take away my Mexican pride.
Find it?
Yeah, Buck. I see the bird.
Eyes on it yet?
Yeah, I see that bird, Buck.
Right.
You going to hit it, Buck? Hey, Buck, you mind passing me the dip?
You got any extra bolts? Here, give me that one. Right there. Give me it.
I got you. All right, dip. Hey, Buck.
Alright.
You look mighty thick today, Buck.
Keep it down, will you? Alright? I don't want to scare it away.
I think that's a chicken, Buck.
Will you keep it down?
Buck, that's a chicken. That's not a ball.
Keep it down.
Sure, Buck. Buck, that's definitely.
I said, can you keep it down? I'm trying
Buck,
to get my aim right.
Buck, that's definitely a chicken. There's no way in hell that that's a bald eagle. Especially in it.
Alright, folks, now we're going to pull the trigger and see if I can get it. Gotta get my aim right here.
Hey, Buck, you're taking awfully long, Buck.
Oh my God, man, I think I got it. Come on, man. Let's go. Hurry up, man.
All right, Buck, I got you, Buck. Hey, Buck, you wrong. You going way too fast, Buck. Buck. Buck.
Down.
Hey, Buck.
Will you keep it down?
Hey, Buck. I don't think that was a bird.
Well, I don't think we can find the corpse, so.
I think that was just a light post, Buck.
Well, I shot it anyways. I don't think we can find the corpse.
But
so.